and places where people go out and enjoy the open air and pleasant surroundings. The two-story houses with their own private garden are attractively set out in terraces. Pedestrian joins up with the main road skirting the site. All dwellings are sited within easy reach of the service road. In design like this, 12M, the architects have to maintain a balance between their requirements and erection requirements. But with based on standard units and opportunity and scope for architectural design, a coordinated drawing system associated with standard design is therefore component drawing show the location assembly drawing inside the very and how they are fixed. System of it. Line and right flow that operation between the client, the architect, the contractor, the manufacturer, both structural and component. And behind it all, forward-thinking initiation, what implies building means, implications of its of modular coordination and rise techniques, the enormous advantages in the system of flexibility in design, speed in erection, and economy in realized. The rate of erection for the structural units is geared to deliveries from factory to site on a strict time schedule. In order to achieve the best use of men, machines, time, and allocated costs, new methods have been devised and units are not at the factory, printed on the transporters, their order of erection on the site. This speeds up construction and keeps the line moving with hold-ups. Daily delivery schedules, worked out by computer, itemize each unit with special coding numbers. From these schedules, programs are prepared for the erection teams, telling them what units are being delivered and the order of load. All lifting work is fully mechanized. Assembly is high or small, and the number of reduced. With 12M Jesperson, the architect is concerned mainly with three planning grids, 4 foot, 1 foot, and 4 inches. The 4-foot grid determines the width of the floor and wall units. The depth of any building is thus subject to modular control in multiples of 4 feet. The 1-foot grid determines the length of the floor units. The 4-inch grid is only used for partitions and doors. As the walls are erected, the partitions are installed in assembly positions before the floor units go to the top. These light partitions, delivered in packs ready for erection between the structural, provide a wide range of room sizes in line with Morris recommendations. Delivery schedules are prepared for all manufactured components. Careful phasing of delivery, not only non-stop, but age and manpower. The floor units are loaded on the truck in correct order of placing in accordance with the floor. Using special lifting gear, they are rapidly delivered by crane to the floor area and quickly and easily placed. Formwork, cleaning, and making good are eliminated. Here, new construction based on advanced techniques of management, together with organized materials and manpower. The cladding panels are factory-made to story height and structural bay width. They're finished ready for installation glazed and complete with fixings for jointing and thermal insulation. Finish it. Timber or metal panels gives the architect considerable scope in the elevational treatment of a building. The concrete panels on these flats at Oldham are exposed aggregate, of cleaning, maintenance free. With labor apply for conduit formed, cut to and quick and easy fixing in set positions. Circuit wiring too is pre-cut and assembled off-site. All the electrical fittings for each dwelling, including switches and fuse gear, are delivered in separate packs. Plastic soil and waste pipes are extensively used in the plumbing pipework, ready for prefabricated doors too. At Oldham, a depressing slum area is being replaced by a well-planned modern development which will give a new look to the center of this industrial town. The flats are combined in a scheme to a density of 117 persons per acre, to a cost within the Ministry of Housing yardstick. Flats, ranging from 3 to 5 stories on the sloping ground, have access decks on alternate floors. These decks are designed so that tenants can get to their flats without having to go up or down more than one flight of public stairs. Plenty of space to move around on these decks. There's a furnished show flat along here. It's an upper flat with a private staircase leading up from the entrance hall. If we follow them, we can have a look round. This is the living room. Prefabricated doors accurately set in the modular partition walls. Light switch in the architrave of the door, and the pre-cut electrical wiring we saw earlier fixed in a few minutes along the top of the wall and across to the ceiling light. It's designed. What a change from the dreary substandard houses that used to be here. We'll have a look now at the kitchen through the double doors. It's conveniently in the dining. The kitchen. Unit, the fridge, the cupboards, all made to modular size, fitting neatly into position without any painting, joinery work, patching up, or making good. You can see at a glance what 12 Jesperson is. The solid level floors, ceilings decorated on the unplastered surfaces. Heating for the flats and houses is provided from a central plant. The project provides for a total of 338 flats. A wide range of accommodation is available, including bed-sitting and flats with 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. 182 houses, attractively laid out in terraces on different levels, vary in size from 2 to 6 bedrooms. This is a flexible system. The standardization of units and components does not mean standardization in design. Materials can be chosen to provide the weathering, insulation, and other properties desirable in any scheme, and to give the scale, color, and relief to buildings most appropriate to their setting. 12M Jesperson is a breakthrough in building technique. With its nationwide organization, its resources, and long experience of industrialized building, the Lane Group of companies has put this highly efficient homes from the factory system well and truly on the map. 17 million new homes by 1990 for modern living in the more enlightened industrial revolution of the 20th century. It can be done. 12M Jesperson points the way.